Ever wondered if you could actually turn AI into a reliable stream of extra income starting today? You don't need a computer science degree or years of coding experience to get started in this field. Step 1. Pick a specific AI niche to master. Let's focus on the high-demand world of AI writing. Watch how quickly a simple prompt transforms into a professional blog post or a catchy social media caption. Use free tools to practice your craft. It is all about learning how to communicate effectively with the AI. Refine the output until it is polished. This human touch is exactly what clients are willing to pay for. Next, head over to freelance marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork and look for AI-assisted roles that are trending. Imagine the feeling of receiving that first notification for a paid order right on your smartphone. As you earn, reinvest your profits. Move from free tools to professional subscriptions and a better gear setup. Watch your side hustle grow into a serious business as your skills and your portfolio continue to expand. Ready to change your financial future? Hit that subscribe button for more AI money-making tips and guides. Start your AI journey today and turn your curiosity into a thriving side hustle. Let's get to work.